and especially the professionals and the young students whom we normally deal with. So yes, the technology is always being a disruptor whenever it comes across in the society. Remember the days when we started with the computers coming in. Earlier used to have the ledgers, the physical books we used to write, right? And when the computer came, I still remember, in my family also, my father, who used to be always be in the education sector, so he used to teach shorthand typings in that, in those days. So we were little reluctant in, adopting the computers. So that's again the same scenario now coming in after, few decades. Now the technology like AI, open AI, and robotics. So all these things are coming, and this is a natural, normal fear in the common man's, mind, that how and what is the change that is coming up, how we are going to adapt. So I think the most prevalent thing we need to understand is that, we all are based out of society, and the humans, the most consistent thing is the change which actually comes in. And rather than getting fear about the change, we should actually be, embracing the change. We should be, coping up and learning and having a positive mindset towards the change which comes in. That's the only way and the best way forward to deal with any kind of a change in a normal, whatever scenarios that we, a normal human being. So now we talk about the technological change, especially the AIs and all. So I think it is going to impact in a big way. And the analysis of even the World Economic Forum, the report which has come up in the May 2023, it is also suggesting that, we are going to have a lot of displacements in the jobs, in the ways of working of the business. There is going to be a good transformation change which is going to come in the business, be it any sector, right? And I'll tell you more about in this conversation what are the prevalent sectors, what are the top sectors in which this change will come, and how much it is impacting. But at a starting of a discussion at the outset, I can say that, probably this is a time where we need to be more adaptive, more open towards new things coming up. And even the youngsters, they are now very, very hungry. They are hungry for all the knowledge, the kind of new technology, new kind of learning methodologies are coming up. So everybody is going towards that change, and it is a positive change. It is going to make our society more, performance based and more agile, more fast, and so the overall I can say is that the technology is going to come, even if we have a fear, or we live with a fear, or we embrace it. It is going to come. That's a hard reality, right? So best